My friends, do you know that each letter stands for a definite engine? Do you want to know these engines? Then all aboard! Ooh, ooh! Oh, this is Annie! Look, her name starts with letter A. A is for Annie. Goodbye, Annie. See you later. Wow, this is Bash. His name starts with letter B. B is for Bash. Nice. Bye, Bash. And together with Thomas, we are continuing our adventures. Oh, look! There's someone tall standing here. Of course, it's Cranky. We recognized him. Cranky's name starts with the letter C. C is for Cranky. Awesome! Let's keep on riding and find another engine to play with. Whoa, what a meeting! This is Diesel. His name starts with the letter D. D is for Diesel. Goodbye, Diesel. Look, this is Edward waiting for us here. His name starts with the letter E. E is for Edward. Goodbye, Edward. Look, this must be Flying Scotsman over here. Hello there. Flying Scotsman's name starts with F. F is for Flying Scotsman. Good job, kids. Way to go. Goodbye, Flying Scotsman. Wow, this is the Big Blue Express, Gordon. Actually, the first letter in his name is G. G is for Gordon. Bye, Gordon. Fantastic job, kids. Let's go and find one more engine. Oh, check this out. This engine is looking just like Henry. The first letter in Henry's name is H. H is for Henry. Excellent! Very good job, kids! See you later, Henry! Wow! These are the yellow diesels! Iron Airy and Iron Bird. So, if you're attentive enough, you could see that their titles start with I. I is for iron. Goodbye, yellow diesels. And here's a red tender engine, James. His name starts with letter J. J is for James. Goodbye, James. Look, this must be Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Do you kids know that Kevin's name starts with K? K is for Kevin. See you later, Kevin. Wow, who is that? Ah, I see. It looks like this is Lexi. Her name starts with letter L. L is for Lexi. Well done, kids! Wonderful job! What letter is going to be next? Whom Thomas will meet in a second. Oh, look here! This is Merlin. Merlin's name starts with M. M is for Merlin. We'll see you next time, Merlin. Aha! What is this standing here? This is Nelson. The first letter in his name is N. N is for Nelson. Excellent! You guys are doing just great. Okay, who do we have here? Oh, I know! This is Oliver. And this engine's name starts with O. O is for Oliver. Goodbye, Oliver. See you later. And we're going to find some more engines and new letters. Paxton. I think his name starts with P. P is for Paxton. Awesome! Bye, Paxton. We'll go and see who's awaiting us next. Wow! Look who's here! This must be Emily the Queen, Lady Engine. Do you know that Queen starts with Q? Sure, Q is for Queen. See you soon, Emily! Goodbye! And here we see... who's that? Of course! This is Ryan! I bet you know that his name starts with R. R is for Ryan. Yeah! That was a good job, you guys! Oh, look here! Do you know who this engine is? Sure, this is Salty. I have no doubt you know the first letter in his name. It's S. S is for Salty. And goodbye, Salty! Oh, look! Do you recognize this engine? Of course, this is Timothy. His name starts with letter T. T is for Timothy. Goodbye, Timothy! See you later! Oops! Hold on! T is also for Thomas! Of course! How could I not recall it right away? Wow! You guys are amazing! Excellent job! Let's see who's going next! I bet you will like this engine! Hugo. The second letter in his name is U. U is for Hugo. Excellent! Bye, Hugo! You have such a wonderful name! Now, we'll find another engine who can help us with the letters. Oh, who is that? It's Victor! Hi, Victor! Look, his name starts with V. V is for Victor. Okay, we're done with Victor and ready to continue our adventures. Oh, look! Who is this? This is Winston. His name starts with W. W is for Winston. Alright, let's continue our journey. Only a very few letters left and we all will learn the whole alphabet. Oh, look here! This must be Rex. His name finishes on the letter X. X is for Rex. Bye, Rex! See you later! Wow! I know this engine! This is Yong Bao from China. His name starts with Y. Y is for Yong Bao. See you later, Yong Bao! It was nice to see you! Oh, check this out! This is Elizabeth! The fourth letter in her name is Z. Z is for Elizabeth. Excellent! Awesome! We did it! Did you like it? Then put your like! and I will see you in our next videos. Goodbye!